us make it more interesting. So far, we learned that if we have two statements like A and B, P and Q, remember that it doesn't matter if you use P, Q, or you use A and B, the tables, the truth tables are going to be the same. We are memorizing these tables. So since we have two statements, we're going to have 4 combinations. Let me change this marker. P and Q. P can be true, Q can be true. True and true, remember that this operation is AND. True and true in mathematical logic is always true. True and false is always false. False and true is always false. False and false, always false. Or again, if you want to use different letters like A and B, the tables, the truth tables, result in the exact same values. It doesn't matter which one you're using. So if you have A, B, A and B, again, this operation always represents AND. True and true, always true. True and false, always false. False and true, always false. False and false, always false. Again, it doesn't matter if you're using P, Q, A, B, or any other letters. So we memorize this, we memorize the table. Very good. So now let us make it more interesting. We know that P and Q has this table. Expect you to ask, what if I want to construct Q and not P? Okay. First of all, note that you have negation. Negation comes first. So it means that we need to find the negation of P first and then combine Q values with the negation of P. So let me use 2 different colors and show you how to construct the table. You have 2 simple statements. We have 2 simple statements. What are they? One of them is Q. Guys, remember that not P is not a simple statement. Q and P are simple statements. P and Q. So it means that we get 4 rows. We have 4 combinations. So we have 4 combinations because 2 raised to 2 statements is 4. 4 combinations or 4 rows. Okay, let us construct tables. Columns. Okay, let me make sure it's graphed completely vertically. Okay, so since you have 2 simple statements, you're going to have 2 fixed columns. Fixed columns. The very first one is P and the second one is Q. These 2 columns are fixed because these are represent your simple statements. Again, you have 4 combinations. It means that you have true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Very good. So the result is different. So we're going to construct new columns. What do we need? The very first thing you need is to construct not P. Negation comes first. Not P. Okay. Not P. To construct not P, we look at P, right? P is true, not true is false. P is true, not true is false. P is false, not false is true. P is false, not false is true. So we constructed not P. We already have Q. The next step is to combine the values of Q, the values of not P. Q and not P. Okay. We need Q, not P. Forget about P because you already used P to construct not P. Now your job is to combine these two. True and false is false. False and false is false because we have and. True and true is true. False and true is false. So this is your answer. This column is the truth table, the value for this compound statement, Q and not P.